guys, welcome back to Between the Pages. Today we're diving into a fascinating read, Why Men Don't Listen and Women Can't Read Maps by Alan and Barbara Pease. Ever wondered why men and women seem to think and communicate so differently? This book breaks down the unique ways our brains are wired and offers some eye opening insights on those gender differences. Joining us to talk about this book is Nikita. She has some great stories and insights to share, and you won't want to miss out on them. Let's welcome Nikita. Hi Nikita, welcome to Between the Pages.
हाय एना थैंक यू फॉर इनवाइटिंग मी
कैसे हो?
मैं अच्छी हूँ आप कैसे हो
बढ़िया. So tell us about yourself.
सो माय initial name is Nikita Nahar and now my name is Nikita Tathir after marriage. So I will tell you about my profession before. So I'm a dancer. So I was a choreographer.
Wow.
I'm a Bharatnatyam and Kathak dancer.
I do Kathak as well.
Nice.
Yeah.
So we can relate. So I'm a Zumba instructor also. So my basic profession was that after marriage, as I got my baby, I went into entrepreneurship of having a coaching center where we heal children from inside and outside, like means their diet, their behavior, and then after that on their studies. So we have a coaching center from 1st to 12th standard. It is in 2 places. So I and my husband, we take over of that places. He's basically working, so I look after the classes.
Wow, that's interesting.
Thank you.
So, do you read books often?
More often I used to read. I was a reader, like to read novels and stories. I was not into reading a lot of stories which will inspire me, and I never had a thought because I was a dancer by profession. So that used to heal me a lot. Later on, when life gave some challenges, some circumstances happened, I started reading to heal myself. So I came in reading a lot of spiritual books which could heal me, and currently I have read You Can Heal Your Life, and I am reading a book which we are going to introduce.
You Can Heal Your Life is one of my favorite books. It's
here.
So deep.
It's a very very good book to come out of a situation in your life.
Yeah, I practically use the heal like जो affirmations है every day. So अब मैंने like goal बनाया कि मुझे चश्मा हटाना है. तो मैं उसमें जो affirmations दिए हैं आँख ठीक करने के लिए वो हर रोज़ बोलती हूँ. And then आपने The Power और The Secret पढ़ी है, सुनी है?
No.
So it's about the law of attraction. तो वो बुक से मैं हील करने की आखिर कोशिश कर रही. So that's like this integral part of my life.
But like you're telling about the law of attraction. I had the sessions online. Over there I got to know about You Can Heal Your Life book. So then I started reading that book, and then that changed. The sessions also healed me a lot. Law of attraction, which universe says whatever you attract comes to you. So whatever you're going to get, so that I had the sessions. I didn't read the book about it.
Acha.
So I'll surely read that book now.
It's amazing. So tell us about the book you're here with today.
Today we are going to speak about is why men don't listen and women can't remember the maps. Because something after marriage, every girl has the thing. So she comes to this book that would be very good for all the readers to read. And before marriage also you can read it when you're in your teenage ages.
So the name of the book is like out of the blue. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा कि वो क्या मतलब है. वो how does it relate to what's inside the book?
Means when I also went in the generally my husband is a very good reader. He reads books a lot. Means he has his own library. So when I was going through his library only, that time only I saw this book. I was also very means you see ना the wallpaper ही बहुत कुछ बोल देता है कि यार क्या रहेगा इस book में ऐसे. Why men don't listen and women don't read remember the maps. So the book basically tells you about the compatibility, the thinking, and the touch. That male and female have their different views, but that doesn't mean that they are worse or bad or good. That doesn't define. That is their point of view. So you need to understand what you are thinking. It's not going to be the same way that the person, another gender is going to think the same way. So you get many answers in that book.
I see. So are there any tips that you can get from the book to improve?
I would say that tips would be that you understand. Abhi अभी के जनरेशन में आई डोंट नो अबाउट द बिफोर दे यूज्ड टू से दैट द मेन आर हंटर्स एंड द वुमेन आर नेस्ट कीपर्स. सो नाउ द स्टेटमेंट ही पूरा चेंज बहुत हो गया है अभी. तो इन टुडेज जनरेशन व्हेन वी सी फेमिनिज्म बहुत आ गया है, मैस्कुलाइन एंड फेमिनिज्म. इन दैट बुक यू गेट टू नो दैट ऑल्सो कि मेरा थिंकिंग am I most, because sometimes I was a kind of girl, I never used to wear this kind of dresses. I was more into wearing jeans and top, even if I go to Indian function. So I always got a tagline that you are very masculine thinking, even if you are feminist. So that you get to know in that book. Ki what am I, why am I, means they study you psychologically. Scientifically also they give you many answers. Why your brain is working this way, why you're thinking this way. So get many answers कि मेरा सोच ऐसे क्यों है, ये लड़की का सोच ऐसा है, मेरा ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, मैं उस लड़के की तरह से क्यों सोच रही हूँ. तो you get many answers this kind of.
So, have you faced any challenges in your relationships that this book helped you overcome?
Like I used to always feel that I am very sensitive and emotional. I used to always feel why this one is so stubborn in some situations. When I read this book, the first thing I got to know is that he's going to be that way. He's not going to be, if you're emotional, he's not going to be emotional. He has a different point of view. Means, for example, a little bit, if I don't have my food, I sometimes used to feel he shouldn't also have his food till the time I come. But after reading that book, I understood that their perspective is different. Their brain working is also different. Our points are totally different. So we can't every time match. And I can't every time force him on my decisions. It is your call, you take it. It is my call, I will take it. That way.
So, there's a lot of myths about gender going around in the world. तो इसमें कोई, इस book में कोई myth इसने debunk किया है?
In a way, I think Barbara, means it's a book, the both husband and wife have written it. So basically when you read it, you feel that they have showed that the female is more dominating, which is actually thought by everyone in the, I think so, by every human being around or in every relationship they feel. So that is, I think it is not true. We are just straight to say it in relationships. So that doesn't mean that it is dominating. So that is a particular word which is said directly that Barbara is more dominating in this book. So I didn't feel that way. She was just straight to tell her points. That doesn't mean that you're dominating.
So, फिर how did you like the author's writing style?
I love the way they both coordinated and they wrote it together, because they wrote their own story. I feel sometimes they studied on it. Basically, they were not so big writers, but they scientifically also researched on this and then they wrote the book.
Wow.
So you only don't get the basic concepts कि हाँ husband and wife का relation या फिर girl का या boy का. They've actually scientifically defined everything in that book, that why girls think this way and boys think this way. There's a difference when you work also with someone. It comes in all the criteria, not only in relationship, but whenever you work with someone, whenever you have a talk with someone, even if it is friendship. So it defines in all the criteria that every person is in different zone and different way of thinking. So you have to just understand why is it so, and not what we say. The word dominate would be very larger to define it. कि अपना decision उन पे ये नहीं करना है, means to force them to take my only view and to have an understanding. So this you will get from this book.
So, how do you see the understanding of gender differences evolving in the next decade?
I would say now I don't feel that women are anywhere back, and male have understood this, that women and men are going to work together only. I don't feel that there is nothing which is women can't do and men can't do. They both are working on the same. पहले का अलग था, अभी बहुत अलग है.
हाँ.
So I don't feel that there would be more. They will understand more each other. I think so now. पहले ऐसा था कि एक की जिम्मेदारी और एक की जिम्मेदारी. Now I feel कि they both will walk on the same path.
I see. So, we have a ritual in this podcast where every guest writes a question for the next guest. So, I have a question for you. It's from Vishwa, and he's asking, what's a moment in your life where you felt this is it? This is how I want to live my life.
Actually, I would say when I started dancing. The time I started dancing, I was very good in studies, but I just felt ki no, this is something where I breathe. There is something I live. There is something where I breathe and live. I know myself. I understand myself very well. The day I started dancing, I understood the rhythm that day.
Do you still dance?
Yeah,
Great.
because that is something which I can't live without.
So it's your turn to write a question for the next guest. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much
So
for
is
inviting me.
So, is there any question you would like to ask me?
Uh, as you meet many faces, as you, it inspires me a lot. Many people might be asking you about the books, basically, but you meet many faces, so you might not be in that zone to do the podcast sometimes. How do you manage it?
आ तो फिर आई जस्ट डू आई गेस मतलब समटाइम्स ना मैं बहुत ही वो हो जाती हूँ कि मेरे को ये भी काम है, ये भी है, पॉडकास्ट भी है, क्या करूँ कैसे करूँ. पर जब मैं इंसान दूसरों को मिलती हूँ ना, इट्स जस्ट दैट आई ईज डाउन, आई डोंट नो, एंड आई लव टॉकिंग टू पीपल. तो फिर मेरे को मज़ा आ जाता है. जैसे लाइक सीट पे भी बैठ के मुझे थोड़ा सा होता है कि यार मैं हूँ यहाँ पे, मुझे दूसरे काम है, मेरे को जाना है. पर उसके बाद फिर याद आता फिर एंड देन आई वो गेस्ट ही मेरे को इतना कुछ ऐसे सरप्राइज कर देता है कुछ बोल के कि आई जस्ट गेट इन टू द जोन. तो फिर हो जाता है.
Because at this age, to have this thing means after coming after so long day and to talk to someone with the same kind of energy, it's
हो जाता है.
quite appreciating.
थैंक यू. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम लोग ने 50 एपिसोड शूट कर लिए थे, बट देन वी वांटेड द 50th एपिसोड टू बी विथ माय डैड. तो अभी यही हफ्ते हमने शूट किया, लिटरली संडे मॉर्निंग शूट किया या मंडे मॉर्निंग, आई डोंट, हाँ मंडे मॉर्निंग, बिकॉज मेरे पापा को ऑफिस जाना था, मुझे स्कूल जाना था, कुछ तो ऐसे ही था. वी डेंट हैव अदर टाइम टू शूट. हम सुबह उठ के 6 बजे शूट कर रहे थे, नींद आ रही है सोने, तो फिर करा हम लोग ने, था हो जाता है.
But nice.
Thank you so much for joining us on Between the Pages.
Thank you so much for inviting me on this podcast.
I hope you guys liked today's discussion. Until next time, it's me and Alilani closing the BTP book for this week. Bye bye.